I'm Enamona. I'm from Denmark and I'm doing the 200-hour Ashtanga Vinyasa course here at Sampoorna. I think the most challenging is kind of like building a sequence and knowing how the body is supposed to move, which this training helps a lot with because we both have anatomy and adjustment and alignment. It's kind of giving us a full knowledge of how the body is supposed to move and what we can do in the different asanas. Everybody is so nice and so special. And then the fact that we get to go really deep into everything, which will be much more difficult at home. I think we're all really good at catching each other when we have our ups and downs. I think especially yesterday I had a really nice self-practice and then the other girls was just there to support me, which was really nice. It made me understand a lot more about myself and my body, which can make me go more into depth with what yoga can be in my daily life, and kind of knowing the history of yoga makes this easier as well. All the teachers are really amazing and really special, really different from what I'm used to, which has been like an eye-opening in a really positive way. I would say go for sure. It's a really nice experience. It's super intense, but in the best positive way, and everything is just amazing. The people, the food, the surroundings, the teachers.